Hello, boys and girls. So today our objective is that we are going to add two-digit numbers. So you can follow along on page 579. This is the solve and share. Al has 25 rocks. His friend gives him 16 more rocks. How many rocks does Al have now? Can you make a 10? Show how you know and use blocks to help you. So let's take a look at that problem again. Al has 25 rocks, right? His friend gives him 16 more rocks. When we know we're getting more rocks, we're adding, right? So he has 25 rocks, and then he gets 16 more. And it wants to know if we can make a 10. Let's draw a picture just like we've been doing. 25, I'm going to draw 25 using blocks. So I have two 10s and 5 ones. And let's draw 16 same way. 1 10, 3, 4, 5, and 6 ones. Now it wants to know if we can make a 10. Let's see if we can take our ones and combine them together to make a 10. I know right here I have 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I group together these ones and these ones, I can switch them out for a 10. So instead of having 10 ones, we can get rid of those, right? I'm going to cross them out, and we're going to add another 10. And then I still have one left over. Okay, so how many do I have in all? I have 10, 20, 30, 40, and one left over, which is 41. Was I able to make a 10? Yes, I was. I took 5 ones from 25 and 5 ones from 16, and I combined them to make a 10. So 25 plus 16 equals 41. Let's try another one. Now, we can write our equations vertically, right? Horizontally is going this way, vertically is going up and down. So we can write our equations vertically and use this little graphic organizer to help us organize our information. So if I have 45 plus 15, I have 4 10s and 5 ones to make 45. And then 15, I have 1 10 and 5 ones to make 15. Now I'm going to draw those using 10s and 1s. 45, I have 4 10s, 2, 3, 4, and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then for the number 15, I have 1 10 and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, am I able to take our ones and add them together to make a 10? Let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to group together those 10 ones because we were able to make a 10, right? I'm going to get rid of them and add another 10. Now, how many 10s and 1s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s and no 1s. That is our sum. 60. 45 plus 15 equals 60. Was I able to make a 10? Yes, I was. Right? We took 10 ones and combined them to make a 10. Let's try it again. For this problem, we are adding 32 plus 17. So I'm going to set it up. 32 plus 17. And then I'm going to use this little tool, this little organizer to help me organize my information. We have 3 10s, 2, 3, and 2 1s. And then for 17, we have 1 10 and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I able to make a 10? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, I only have 9, right? I can't make a 10. I was not able to make a 10. So let's add our information in this chart, our drawings in this chart to see what our sum is. how many ones do we have in all? We just counted them and we know that we have 9, right? 2 ones plus 7 ones is 9. Now how many 10s do we have in all? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10s. So our total is 49. So 49 is the sum to 32 plus 17. Let's try one more problem. 23 plus 28. Set it up in our organizer. 23 and 28, right? 23 I'm going to draw. We have 2 10s and 1, 2, 3 1s. And then 28, we have 2 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1s. Am I able to make a 10? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am, and I have 1 left over. So I'm going to take my 10 ones. I'm going to put an X over them because I'm crossing them out, right? And I'm going to change them, get rid of them over here, and add them as a 10 over here. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10s and 1 left over. Was I able to make a 10? Yes. How many ones do I have now? I have 1 10. And then how many 10s do I have? I had 5 10s, right? So my final sum was 51. All right, now you know how to use this new tool to help you figure out if you can take your ones and regroup them as a group of 10 instead of 10 ones. I want you to open up your workbook and try it out on your own.